Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a DIY passion twist, and this video was inspired by Loveth Speaks. So after watching her video I decided to do the same, but I couldn't find hard straw to use for this tutorial, and the straws that I have at home, they are so soft, so they didn't do the job when I first tried it. So after searching for hard straws in the supermarket, I couldn't find, so I decided to make do with what I have. I cut one pack of expression braiding hair into half, and I added another half pack of hair that I already had at home. The colors are not the same, so I mixed both colors together. I'll be using barbecue sticks. I already tried it out and it worked. That is why I decided to do this video. You're also going to need rubber bands to secure both ends of this braiding hair. So right now you're going to split the hair into the desired size that you want your passion twist to be. So right now you're going to fold the braiding hair into half, and you place it on the barbecue stick, twist it and turn it over to the other side, and then you're going to use rubber band to secure the end. That way it will not come off.
Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press.
So after securing it down with the rubber band, you're now going to start twisting and wrapping it tight to the barbecue stick. And as you're doing that, you're leaving small space behind, and once you wrap the hair halfway, you're going to turn the barbecue stick over and wrap the remaining hair into those little space that you left behind.
I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You done know. Vicky's bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see me take you there. Bad man, finna gone away.
So after wrapping the hair, you're going to make sure you leave a small piece of hair behind. That will serve as a guide when it's time to take down the hair from the barbecue stick. So right now you're going to use another rubber band to secure that end so it will not come off. So right now you're going to pull both ends of the hair together. That way it will be tight. The tighter the coils, the more bouncy the passion twist will be. So you want to make sure the hair is very tight. So guys, after watching Loveth Speaks video, I started searching for hard straws to buy, because she did mention in that video that you need hard straw. I searched all over the supermarket in my city. I couldn't find it. I went as far as going to Germany to look for hard straws. I finally found hard straws at Edeka supermarket in Germany, but the one I found only had 6 hard straws in a pack, and it retailed for 99 cents. That is like €1 already. So if I'm going to buy only 6 hard straws in a pack, I wonder how many packs of straws I'll buy to achieve my passion twist. I was also interested in doing this passion twist, and then I thought about this barbecue sticks. I decided to try it. The first time I tried it, it didn't work for me, so I gave up. And yesterday I went back, I picked it up, I did another one, and it came out really nice. That was when I decided, you know what, I'm going to do this video, because I saw a lot of comments on Loveth's video that she made. People were asking her where they can find the hard straws to buy, because they can't find it to buy. I knew immediately that I wasn't alone, and honestly that what is it called, the soft straws doesn't do the job that well, because as you're bending or as you're twisting the hair, the straws will start to bend and it will not give you that coil pattern that you want. So this barbecue sticks is a lifesaver, and I believe a lot of us have this in our kitchen. So yeah.
Man, finna gone away.
So guys, I boiled hot water and I placed all the hair inside the water for at least a minute. So I was just going back and forth and just making sure that all the hair entered into the water.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
So guys, the hair is fully dried and I tried to pull it out of the stick, but it was so tight and stiff. So I decided to carefully take out the rubber bands and then carefully unravel the hair from the barbecue stick.
Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's VQ.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are free about nothing. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
I'm done taking down the hair from the sticks, so I'm going to cut the ends. That way our passion twist will be neat.
It's VQ.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a them, me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done.
Remember, I folded this hair into half before coiling it. So right now I'm going to split it open.
Run me down, bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say, them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Low, I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go. Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's VQs.
I will be twisting some of the hair. That way you see what our DIY passion twist final result looks like.
Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee way. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me now, they want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, to my calm down. Oh yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me one gbọ́ me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. Pon me radio, every day they play me pon me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me pon the video. They want to see when me chilling pon me yard.
So guys, that is all for this DIY passion twist tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
If you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me